I studied at so many places, anywhere from, method acting type of things where you're pulling from your past to typical scene study class where you're being told what to do. I found that I was super critical of myself. I didn't like acting anymore after all of that. I wasn't booking, and every time I was done with an audition, I was like, oh, I should have done, and I should have, and it wasn't fun, and I was giving it up. Funny enough, a friend of mine was like, I've heard of this new school, and it's a modern approach to acting. It was pitched to me as, what if you could do your own ideas? And what if you could be really confident and like your acting and do so much acting and work 100% of the time? And so the Acting Center was about kind of flipping it back to where I actually loved acting again, and it was what it was supposed to originally be. And so I joined the first original class 11 years ago, and I've never stopped since. The Acting Center is about, if you're being a character, you're being someone else. So I can't pull from my past. The Acting Center is about creating and living as a person for real. Here at the Acting Center, the way that we're taught is different. We take away the teacher's basically directing of the actor, and it's more about, well, what was your vision? Great. Did you do that? Why not? Let's figure out why you can't get your vision. When you take away that critique and feedback, you try things that probably before you never would have tried. What it gave me to not be critiqued, it gave me back the confidence that no matter what, I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna be able to figure it out. What I like most about the Acting Center is the community. Everyone wants everyone to do well. The other thing I love about the Acting Center is how much I work every single class. And that the Acting Center, as a student, is training me to know all the tools as an artist. So I always know that whatever problem I have in acting, there's always a solution here at the Acting Center. When I'm on a set or in an audition, stuff like that, because of the Acting Center training, when I'm given a redirection, it's very easy for me to change. The Acting Center technique teaches me to be prepared. So when I go on set, now it's make-believe and it's super fun. And I can say that with full 100% confidence that there is no acting school ever on this planet that is like the Acting Center.